What's up, y'all? It's Paris Michelle back with another video. Y'all, if I'm new on your screen, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all my social media platforms. They'll be down below in the description. Y'all, don't mind how I look. I got my little gel braids going on.
This method called pipe cleaning.
Pipe. Y'all, today we are doing a wig install. Long story short. Okay? I'm gonna be reinstalling my wig that I have. I washed it. Yeah, I washed it, y'all. Cleaned the lace. All that good stuff. So now it looks back to normal with these little white particles on it. But 30-inch. Yeah. So we're finna get into that. I'm low-key finna hot comb all of this back. All of the extra hair. We finish my edges up. I'm gonna use this. We're gonna try to make it real detailed, y'all. Real detailed. Cause yeah. I should probably do like a transition or something for I take my handy dandy pink comb and just brush it back. Y'all, I don't have a ball cap, so we're doing the no ball cap method. Yeah. That's just what we're gonna do. And it's still gonna be cute, so the hair is all brushed back. Y'all, I need I think to invest in a mannequin head. Really? On the wig. So y'all, I mixed both of these, even though this one already almost gone. But you know, I still, yeah. See that? Y'all see the difference on this side and this side? Y'all see that? Take the That's all that matters. If you like it, they gonna love it, trust. Huh. That's how you gotta talk to yourself. If they like it, yeah, we're gonna break it down. Grab the comb. Comb it through. Well, we figure out to there. Out of there?
Yeah, they so moist. I know what my cookies.
Do you want to turn the air back on?
don't feel like cleaning shit up. I'm leaving it. I think it's mostly just in the kitchen, and I'm trying to get that in there.
Mixing it. Because that's what I'm doing outside of the sun. Sad. Okay. If your hair not giving dusty, you ain't doing it right. Okay? So, we're going to try to use this. Oh, it's spring today. Look at that. Okay. And just put it all over. She used the bottom. Hold on, wait. Okay, it's cool. I like to tap it. Because y'all, when this get on the hair, ain't no. Ain't no coming back. Here, y'all. Just tap it. Tap it.
You got the water?
Tap it. Okay. Wait. Nope. We gonna blow.
What? You just gonna make me get up. Brandon, water right there on the fucking table. Here. Like, stop trying to piss me the fuck off.
Taking this fan off. How we looking? Cakey. Why we looking so cakey? Oh. Go in with me. No. Okay. Is that the water? Or no?
I was gonna say that.
Let's see. Y'all bait into the chat. Okay, y'all. Right now I am plucking my edges and stabbing myself a little bit. You know. Okay, y'all. Press combs. I can't. We finna curly, y'all.
Not just gonna stress around about that shit. There we go.
Cause it's like, it's Lulu in front of her. She don't want it. You know what?
And then it's like, yeah, wearing my shit, I know that's irritating too. Because it's like, I'm wearing my sister shit. I won't want to do that shit either. Mariah, what shoes are you gonna wear? Ready, up now. Exactly, so that all counts. So, what shoes you gonna wear? You talking about a blue jean skirt. So, what's the shoes? Blue jean skirt, you can have any kind of shirt. You talking about a graphic shirt. That's not gonna be hard. Look, your feet. For sure, no, that's what I was saying to you, tell your father to give you something. Are we sitting up here and you ain't gonna see that until after your birthday? Yeah, that's the point. I'm pretty sure he don't show the number. What's the goddamn socks and goddamn shirt? Man, you going to the bathroom?
His butt, he just can't stay out there. Okay. Now she's stressed out.
Okay.
Look, every year round. Every year round.
Brandon, please. I'm not listening and you're talking and I don't really care. I'm already hot and I'm already irritated. You saying whatever the hell you saying is not gonna make nothing better up here. So sit there and try to figure it out. Push it the fuck out. That's all you gotta do. What? Well, you have to push it in order for it to come out. I can't do anything for you.
Y'all, we're getting there, okay? And we're wetting it right now, so I'm gonna come back because I don't got enough storage on my phone. So, hold on. Y'all, this is how we're looking. It's real cute. It came out cute. Soft, flowy. It just came out, okay? Okay. Period. But if you guys did today, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what style I should do next, because I really wasn't feeling this style. But it's cute though. It's cute. It'll work on me. But yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.